In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a submit button in Jotform. If you've created a form and noticed that people don't have a clear way to send in their responses, the submit button is what makes that final step possible. Without it, your visitors can fill out every field, but they won't be able to actually submit the form. So let's walk through the process from start to finish, even if you're brand new to Jotform. First, open your browser and go to jotform.com. You can either log in with your existing account or sign up if you haven't created one yet. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard where all of your forms are stored. This is the central place you'll come back to anytime you want to create, edit, or manage your forms. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, look for the option that says All. This section shows all of your forms in one list, which makes it easier to find the one you want to work on. Go ahead and click All. If you have several forms, you can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the correct one. Next, choose the form where you want to add a submit button. Click on that form to highlight it, and then look for the option that says Edit Form. This will open the form builder interface where you can visually customize the layout, add new fields, and rearrange existing ones. Give it a second to load, especially if your form has a lot of elements. Once you're inside the form builder, turn your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You should see a panel labeled Add Element or something similar. This is where Jotform keeps all the different fields and widgets you can add to your form, like text boxes, multiple choice questions, and buttons. Click on Add Element to expand that panel if it isn't already open. With the Elements panel open, you'll see a list of basic fields at the top, and as you scroll down, more specialized options. What we're looking for is the Submit button, so start scrolling down through that list. Take your time and pay attention to the labels because there are many different field types available. Keep scrolling until you see the element labeled Submit or Submit button. Once you find it, click on it. Depending on your view, it may automatically drop into your form at the bottom, or you may be able to drag and drop it to the exact spot you want. Most of the time, you'll want the Submit button near the end of your form after all the required questions and fields. After you've added the Submit button, look over your form layout to make sure it appears where you expect. You can click on the button to rename it or adjust its style if Jotform offers those options in your version. When you're happy with it, don't forget to save your changes and use the preview feature to test the form. Fill it out quickly and click the Submit button to confirm everything is working correctly. That's all it takes to add a Submit button in Jotform. Once it's in place and tested, your respondents will be able to complete your form and send in their answers without any trouble.